I don't know if you ever see this meme where say one thing about Jamaica and we ever feel for something nice, right? Jerome, what the nice thing where we have today?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. We're gonna try around some ice cream.
It's like
and then Jerome, you wanna tell me what you see me doing? You're like, what are you doing?
Oh, she soaked these in RUM.
Still a soak. Anyways, I'm not even too sure how the camera is set up right now. Let's see. I don't know if you not see me or if you not see Jerome. Jojo, close the freezer. Go make sure your sister close the freezer, please. Ice cream is a lot easier to make than you think. You need heavy whipping cream. That's a must. That's the biggest part of what you need. Then you need sweetened condensed milk. That's definitely important. That's gonna give us some little more milkiness and a little bit of sweetness. I'm using a little bit of grape nuts. I was indecisive about whether or not I'm supposed to soak the grape nuts, but we're gonna roll with it, of course. I have a little bit of rum and a raisin soaking right here. You all know rum and raisin are the yardy thing. Real Jamaican thing. I remember eating rum and raisin and biting on that raisin and tasting out that rum. And then some vanilla for your little, flavor at home. These are the only equipment that you need. Measuring cup, a big bowl, or measuring spoon, and or mixer. First thing first, your heavy whipping cream. You want 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Oh, Drum wants to do chocolate treat. Go grab them. They're in the bakery cupboard right there. Alright. If you hear a little bit of sounds outside, my neighbor has a gathering.
Yeah.
Which I have no problem with. Everybody has them thing. It's the weekend.
Yep.
So I have 3 cups of heavy whipping cream in my bowl. So all there is 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. That's the first step. After I add my heavy whipping cream, I'm going to put this on. I'm going to spin it until it looks like whipped cream. Let's go. All right, I think this is good. Next is our condensed milk.
The whole can?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
If there's something that you want to add to it to give it more flavor, they have coconut condensed milk now. So I think that would have bad because you don't get that coconutty flavor. I think that would have nice. I'm gonna try that one day.
By the way, if you don't understand Jamaican, it means really good.
I guess, yeah, my assistant, I'm a translator.
Yeah.
Alright, watch out for the thing. Remember say we cut you. Pour. All of it in a jar, no save none for yourself. Alright. Thank you, Jerome.
No, there's still some. This may take a while.
We'll pour it on it later. When the ice cream come out. Let's see. And then Jamaica we just scrape out, you see?
Oh.
I not now way something like that shrimp. You have to scrape out it. And of course, if I never this way, we worry about the water content. What did Jamaica grow?
Yeah.
When me did it grow? You get to the bottom of the milk, throw like a hot water in there, you wash out it.
Oh.
Use it for your tea.
Yeah.
Alright. Then I also need about 2 tablespoons of this vanilla. So you just want to fold it in, fold everything in. You don't want to see streaks of vanilla like I'm still seeing right now. You want to touch it,
Yep.
taste it a little bit? All right, now if I add the flavor, so we have 3 bowls because we have 3 different things. never did really plan on how the freezing part I go. I feel like I still gonna have enough left. Jay, grab a spoon because we have to go fold it.
Any, just a little normal spoon?
You want to grab like 3 spoons, yeah. 1 for each flavor. So we're gonna put rum and raisin in that one. Grape nuts in that one. Guys, I've never seen grape nut before. I don't know if you want to see it. Because which part I live, in a real Jamaican things like that, to be honest. So I've never seen grape nut ice cream foreign. When you see that at Jamaica. And you know how we have the good ice cream cake? Me never go nowhere else in the world I find that. Only at Jamaica. Thank you for turning your face away, son. Alright. See? And we still have some left.
Okay, I'll get another one.
Well, we can just freeze it in this same thing.
You know, or we can put the M&Ms in that one.
We'll just freeze it in this. You got 3 spoons? Alright. So which one you gonna put? So where your M&M there? Where you gonna put in there? Alright, you gonna put in. Where you gonna put in there?
M&Ms.
You put in M&Ms and milk chocolate chips. Alright, so Jerome, you're gonna do your M&Ms. I'm gonna do my rum and raisin. Since rum and raisin kind of look a bit more bulky and I have some rum in there, so I'm gonna increase the volume. So I'll use this one for the rum and raisin.
I'll use that one.
You can just shake it right in there, nobody for your M&M. Shake it right in there, and you determine how much you want.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna add my rum and raisin. Let me turn the light on. What is happening? Sammy! No ice cream naga in there. Fold it in. You don't want to mix it too much. And let me tell you, when you're doing it, you don't want to use too much rum, because rum is alcohol, and of course, it doesn't freeze. Alcohol level too high. So maybe I did put a little bit too much rum in here. Or if you can soak your rum and raisin overnight,
Should I spin mine?
Fold it in like this. Yeah, fold it. Because you don't want the air to come out of the whipped, right?
This is good, right?
Yeah, keep folding. You want to be folding from the bottom, fold it over so it's spreading throughout. Okay.
We're kind of masters.
Yeah. Right?
Ice cream masters.
Ice cream masters. All right. Grape nuts. I used a 1/4 cup of grape nuts. You can use more or less to your liking. Like I said, or you don't have to do grape nut at all.
Or you can do. You don't have to do any of these.
Yeah, that's true, Jerome.
Onion.
Onion. I was thinking more like strawberries. Okay. Onions. You would eat onion ice cream, Jerome? You know something they said they have ackee ice cream. May I try jackfruit? Jackfruit ice cream, may I try? I don't know, may I try the ackee? I'd probably try it. I like trying things.
What about grapefruit?
Grapefruit.
Ice cream.
Possibly because that's citrus. So, like I said, I was indecisive about whether or not I should soak my grape nut. This is my first time trying to make grape nut. If it work out, yay. If it don't work out, next time we're going to soak the grape nuts overnight. I'm going to take this bite. It's for you guys. It's not for me. It's for the team.
I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a bite. A little bite out of this too.
Remember, you can't put your spoon back in here when you leave it, okay? And for this final, I'm thinking about just leaving it plain.
Oh, or what about the chocolate chips? I have no idea how good that is.
That was really good, huh?
But what about the chocolate chips?
Do you want to do that, or I think we have some more Oreo cookies.
Alright, do you want to play rock, paper, scissors for it?
Rock, paper, scissors? Oreo cookie or what?
Chocolate chips.
All right. Wanna hear that? Anyways, me had the big rock, paper, scissors when I had the house. I win it this morning. I win it about the Mardi Gras tree, guys. I never have to put up no Mardi Gras tree. Come over here so make the people them see. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam.
Duh.
Come on.
Well, what were you doing? Again?
I was doing the Oreos.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yep. And I'm
And you're doing the dark chocolate chip. Ready again? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, we tied.
We're tied. We're tied. We're tied, everybody.
All right. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
I'm gonna switch, so you can do yours.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. You don't have to, buddy. It's okay.
No, I actually.
Oh, we have these 2 small bowls if we want to split them up, too.
Yeah.
So, you want to grab the Oreos from the pantry?
Uh-huh.
All right. Now we need plastic wrap. We're going to put plastic wrap over them.
Just kidding.
All right. Rum and Raisin secure. Oh, she has a little container over there, please. All right. Next one, let's do the M&M. Jerome's first choice. Jerome, you should have probably sprinkle some more on the top because the color them are round. You have a few
More
more?
M&Ms?
Yeah, just sprinkle it on the top. All right.
There we go.
Right. M&M secure. Jerome put in a lot of M&Ms. But the color start running unless you put it in the freezer right away. But true, we're showing them. The next one, I'm gonna wrap up my grape nut.
And then we're gonna do these.
Put in your Oreo. Here.
The S word. The queen of S words.
You want it?
Oh, okay. In the comments, I have a question for you guys. What do you think? What do you think dragon fruit ice cream would taste like?
Oh. It wouldn't taste like much because dragon fruit is, you know, a pretty bland flavor. But I think you'd have to add something to it, right?
Answer in the comments. Oreo.
Blonde Oreos. And when you put it in the freezer, it has to freeze for at least 4 hours. This container is small, so it'll probably be good in another 2 hours or so. The others, we're gonna leave them for 4 to 6 hours. And we'll show you how that goes. Alright guys, here's the setup. We just took them out of the freezer. Jerome, you remember which one are which? We know the M&Ms, come and tell if you put some on top,
Yeah.
and it's in a different bowl.
This, I'm pretty sure, is your
Oh, grape nut.
Yeah. Oh,
That must be grape nut.
and then this is
Big bad rum and raisin. And then, all right. So, which one do you want to try?
I'm gonna try this.
Okay. So go ahead and take that off. All right. And are you gonna use a cone or a spoon?
Cone.
Well, grab your cone.
Okay.
Do you need help
No.
opening it, or you got it?
I got it.
Just move it along.
Okay. Nice.
Nice. Scoop.
There we go.
Oh, nice. All right. My turn. I'm gonna try rum and raisin first.
Ew.
Fully hard, cause look at that, guys. All right, so let's. Here we go.